Hey everyone, Mama Micah here, and it's time for day 4 of the LEGO Star Wars Advent Calendar. So let's get into that. Okay, day 4 is, up here. Oh, and it is Jawa. So this is going to be then, so you do build the minifigures. I assumed it would be all put together. So let me build this and I'll be right back. Okay everyone, here's our finished minifigure. Hope you come back tomorrow for day 5 of the Advent Calendar. Like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more. I'll see you next time. Bye!